DJI products have long been recognized as some of the most popular and innovative in the market, and the Osmo Pocket 3 takes things to a whole new level. Packed with advanced features, sleek design, and incredible ease of use, it's not just another gadget, it's a game-changer for content creators. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or just someone who loves capturing life's moments with stunning clarity, the Osmo Pocket 3 is designed to elevate your creativity and simplify your workflow like never before. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into something truly exciting for all the creators out there, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. This is the ultimate pocket-sized powerhouse that promises to elevate your content game. Stick around as we unbox this beauty, explore what's inside, and share our first impressions. Let's get started. Right off the bat, the packaging screams premium. DJI never fails to impress with its minimal yet striking design. But let's not waste time admiring the box, let's see what's inside. Let's keep it beside and open the bag and check the star of the show, the Osmo Pocket 3 and its Creator Combo accessories. This is the user manual and other documentation. Let's open the hardcover case, which is very minimalistic and feels super sturdy in hand, with its refined grip. Let's keep it beside and open the bag and check the star of the show, the Osmo Pocket 3 and its Creator Combo accessories. The bag is well packed and neatly organized, with each accessory in its own dedicated compartment. Right on top, we have the battery extension handle, a solid piece of gear with a Type-C port for charging and a Type-C connector at the top to seamlessly attach to the Pocket 3. Next up is this tiny, yet sturdy tripod, perfect for balancing the Pocket 3 on a table. Alongside, there's a camera wrist strap for added security during use. Here's a nice touch, the DJI Mic 2 windscreen, great for clean audio in windy conditions. And now, the star of the show, the Osmo Pocket 3 itself. It's sleek, eye-catching, and fits perfectly in your hand, ideal for on-the-go creators. But wait, there's more. We also have the DJI Mic 2, complete with its transmitter and a stylish clip magnet featuring the DJI logo on both sides. It's compact and elegant. Here's a wide-angle lens to enhance your creative shots. A camera handle with a 1/4 inch thread for versatile mounting options. And finally, a Type-C to Type-C cable for charging the camera, battery handle, or fast data transfer. The bag itself feels durable and super travel-friendly, great for creators on the move. And don't forget the user manual, which offers clear and concise instructions to help you get started. And that's everything in the box, a perfect mix of functionality, portability, and style. Powering it up is where the magic happens. Look at that crisp display. It's now a full 2-inch rotatable screen, perfect for vlogging and framing shots without straining your wrist. The controls feel intuitive, and the touch response? Absolutely buttery smooth. One of the biggest selling points of the Osmo Pocket 3 is its legendary 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and boy, does it deliver. Even with quick pans and tilts, the footage stays silky smooth. It's perfect for those dynamic shots on the go. And there you have it, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo, an absolute powerhouse for creators at any level. With its compact design, incredible versatility, and feature-packed accessories, this kit is poised to redefine the way you create content. But wait, this is just the start of the journey. The unboxing is done, and now it's time to see how it performs in real-world scenarios. We'll be putting the Pocket 3 to the ultimate test in our next video, so don't miss out. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. See you in next video. Until then, dream big, create boldly, and we'll see you in the next adventure.